Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today let's try to transfer the CapCut project from your mobile phone versions to personal computer versions. So here you just need to open your CapCut and go into the profile and make sure you remember about the username and password for the profile that you used to log in into this mobile versions of the CapCut. Now go back into the edit section and you just need to decide which project that you want to use or which project that you want to transfer from your mobile to personal computer. Right after you got them, go click this trace model into the project that you want to transfer. Go upload this space because you need these features to save, to keep the project safe even when you delete your project from your device. Now go click upload. Make sure you have a good connections while uploading it. Go click the space and just check either your project is perfectly uploaded into the folder or not. Now after it's perfectly uploaded, go back into the real life, open your laptop or computer and open the CapCut, logged in with the same account and access the space and find the project, download it, and you can continue edit over this project. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.